What is going on, my Atomic Autoworks friends? So the younger guys here are trying to teach us old guys about some of these Japanese cars. I actually like Japanese cars. I've had many Datsuns and Nissans and Toyotas and Mazdas and everything you could possibly think of. But I just don't follow the new trends because I really enjoy muscle cars, classic trucks, pro touring, things like that. So when this K truck came in, our customer said, "Hey, I want to customize this. I import these things. I want to see if we could customize them and they'll sell. What do you think?" All their eyes lit up and they started sparkling and everybody wanted to work on it. So it was a fun little project for them. Unfortunately, it was a quick project and it was all hands on deck. And man, right at the last minute, they all pulled it through. And if you could see the transformation of this vehicle from 8 a.m. in the morning until 6 p.m. the same day, you'd be amazed. It was white and crusty, and this K truck was actually, when it came in, it was some sort of masonry truck, and it was covered in cement and everything, and it was just all crusty and gross. A lot of little small rust spots on it that had to be addressed, but they went it through, fixed all those quickly, got it painted. And what was cool is the customer was like, couldn't decide what he wanted to do. So we're like, "Hey, why don't you match your truck?" And he actually showed me a picture of someone else who color matched their K truck to their actual truck. And it was kind of cool. So he got excited. We did that. Then it ended up kind of evolving where he wanted to spray on bed liner. He wanted a lift kit in it. So we ended up putting the lift kit in it, putting these cool little tires on it that stuck out a little bit, kind of went through it. Then he's like, "You know what? The seat covers look like heck, so customize it." And we just did some nice imitation leather black seat covers with regular standard stitching in it. And then he also wanted us to swap the dash out, take it out. He wanted to paint it, do all these extra parts. So we pulled it out for him, put it back in. So it was a lot of work and a little bit of time, but the guys really, really pulled through. And I hope you like this truck. Check it out. Remember, please, if you like some of our content or all of our content or any of our content, like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the bell, and let us know what you think of the K truck. You bring it right in the back. Oh, guide him on. Yeah.